Best thing is this carrying bag of DJI Mavic Mini, because using this bag you can grab this drone and bring it anywhere so easily. And this carrying bag only comes with the DJI Mavic Mini combo version. And in this bag you can carry drone, controller, battery hub and some cables. And now let's open this box. So this is the drone, and let me see what is this. Yeah, so this is the battery hub, and this is the controller of this DJI Mavic Mini. So this is the DJI Mavic Mini drone. As you can see, it's very small, but I would say it's my favorite drone, and you will see the feature of this drone in my upcoming videos. And now the price of this combo version is almost $500. If you're gonna buy from Hungary, then it costs you 185,000 forints. So guys, if you buy the normal version of DJI Mavic Mini, like not the combo one but the simple one, then it will come just with this drone and controller and just one battery. Like this is the battery of drone. So, and this is the AC adapter. This one has batteries that I put it here. And yeah guys, this is some instruction for flying the drone. And these are the cables that you use for your phone. And this one is USB charging cable. And now let's open this one. So guys, these are the extra safeguards for your drone propellers, because if you are flying inside the house, then you need to put this on, because if you are using these safety guards something inside the house, it won't damage your drone. So these are the safety guards for your drone. So it's highly recommended. If you're flying your drone inside the house, then you must use these. Otherwise, if you're flying outside, then you don't need these. So you put this on one side and the other one on the other side. This is the first one and this is the second one. You use this on one side and this one on the other side. And guys, now the most important part is, what's the difference between the Mavic Mini Combo and Mavic Mini? If you buy the Mavic Mini Combo, then you will get 2 extra batteries, charging hub, this extra safety guards for your drone, and 2 pairs of each cable and this carrying bag. And if you buy the Mavic Mini, like the simple one, that costs $100 less than the combo version. And the simple version of Mavic Mini will come with drone, controller, 1 battery and 1 pair of each cable. It won't come with carrying bags, safety guards, AC plug and 2 extra batteries and this charging hub. And guys, I would recommend you to buy the combo version because it costs you just $100 extra, but believe me, if you buy this stuff extra, then just each battery costs you, I think, $45. So this thing will come up with 2 extra batteries, this charging hub, extra carrying bag, extra safety guards, this AC adapter and 2 pairs of each cable. Guys, if you have a combo version, then you can charge all of your battery using this charging hub. You can plug in the charging cable here, it will charge all of your 3 batteries. But if you have the simple version, then you need to put your battery inside the drone and you will plug here the charger and it will charge your battery. So the combo version has many features, so I would recommend you to buy the combo version. And here you can see the slot for battery and here the card, and yeah, that's it. And guys, if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and see you in next video.